welcome to the third match between ECC vs MLA. Before knowing the stats of the every player, please subscribe my Telegram channel. Go to the Telegram channel and type target for Grand League. You will get my channel. So please subscribe my channel so that I will give you the teams and I will inform you the stats of the every player also. So please subscribe my channel, friends. Now I will tell you the stats of the stats of the wicket keepers, batsmen, all-rounders, bowlers, batting order, and opening bowling combination, captain and vice captain choice. So please listen carefully. Give me 5 minutes. I will explain you everything. A Ali is a very important player and he will come as a one down or middle order batsman. 21 matches, 285 runs, and he is a very good pick. A Rahman, I didn't get his stats, but he played yesterday's match very well and he scored very well. And Jed Takwik is another good player and he is also a middle order batsman and he stats at 22 matches, 218 runs, 4 wickets. Coming to the batting order, R Ahmad also is another good player and his stats are also a good 10 matches, 132 runs and 1 wicket. He is also a very good pick. And Latif is also a middle order batsman and his stats are 18 matches, 252 runs. T Ahmad, as I said, I didn't get his stats. So if I get his stats, I will inform you in my Telegram channel. S Sharma is the opener batsman from MLA side, 18 matches, 204 runs, and he is also a very good pick. So try to go with him. W Khan, I didn't get his stats, so it's your choice to pick him or not. Coming to the all-rounder side, H Rafiq is a very good opening batsman and he will bowl 2 overs and he is also an important player. His stats are 19 matches, 261 runs and 25 wickets. He is a very good pick. A Kalyal is the opening or one down batsman and he is a very good pick. We can go with him as in captain or vice captain choice. And his stats are also 19 matches, 245 runs and 27 wickets. Q Munir is the best player in the previous year, but why he didn't playing this tournament, I don't know, but he is a very good player and he is a good hitter also. So try to go with him as a vice captain. And the stats are 23 matches, 404 runs, 16 wickets. He will bowl 2 overs also. And Muthu is an average player and middle order batsman, 21 matches, 406 runs, 14 wickets. If you want to go with him, you can go with him. Aymayan is the opener batsman and he will bowl 2 overs. And he starts at 21 matches, 329 runs and 30 wickets. You can go with him. And Mohammad, he will come to batting out very lower order, but he will bowl 1 or 2 overs. So try to go with him. And his stats are 15 matches, 103 runs and 15 wickets. If you want to go with him, you can go with him. It's your choice. Yu Nawaz is a very excellent player. He will come as a one down player and his stats are 4 matches, 85 runs, 2 wickets. He will bowl 2 overs also. So try to go with him. He is a very important player. And coming to the S server, he is a middle order batsman, 17 matches, 121 runs, 5 wickets. I can't tell you that he will bowl or not, but if you want to take with him, so you can go with him. By Mohammad, as I didn't get his stats. And coming to the bowling side, that it's Ayagam is an opener bowler from MLA side. He is a very important player, 19 matches, 16 wickets. You can go with him. He's a very excellent pick. And Jed Kayan is also another good bowler. He will bowl 2 overs and he can take some crucial wickets. And coming to the R Sharma will open the bowling unit. If you think that the ECC side opener batsman will not get out, so don't keep R Sharma because he will bowl in first 3-4 overs only. So it's your choice to go with him or not. T Arab, I didn't get his stats. He will bowl 2 overs. If you want to go with him, please go with him. P Bardawaj is 6 matches, 11 wickets. He is a very excellent bowler. But why I don't know that MLA has very good players, but they are not playing. But if I think this match they can get some runs also. So as I said, batting order, bowling combination, and I will tell you the captain and vice captain choice also. ECC has the very strongest team, and then MLA said, so go with A Kalyal as in captain. You can go with him captain, and H Rafiq also you can go with him as captain. Q Munir is the very good hitter and he can change the game. Please go with him as a vice captain. I Mayan also is the opener batsman. He will bowl 2 overs. If you want to go with him, you can go with him captain also. Yu Nawaz is a vice captain choice because he will bowl. He will come to bat 1 or 2 down batting. He will bowl also. So I can coming to the batting coming to the batting order, there are not must no not important players to go with him captain or vice captain choice, and you can go with Jetka and captain also because there are good picks also. So as I said, captain vice captain choices, batting order, everything as I inform, and please try to play the grand leagues only. Don't play head to head matches because these are the T10 matches. Try to cover the top order batsmen and depth balls so that you can get some good amount, and try to keep the captain and vice captain safe captain and vice captain choices, and try to play different fantasy apps like player sport and ballebaji also. So please, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegram channel, and my Telegram channel link will be in my description, and please share this video if you like. Thank you friends.